MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We've travelled to Coventry today and we're MNB Precision Limited, and we're here on behalf of DTS UK to look at a Correa machine installation. Now this machine behind me is an Experta 25. It was installed here last year. Rob behind me, who's the operator, has already been talking to me about some of the things that he likes about this machine. And they include, firstly, the control on this. It's a Heidenhain control, but it's got a lot of features and functions that are a lot different to other Heidenhain controls that they use here in the Coventry facility. In addition to that, one of the things that Rob also pointed out was the accessibility of the machine. It's very easy when they're looking to load components because the doors, where you can see, it's completely versatile from in terms of opening the doors from left to right, but also into the top of the machine as well. This machine itself is actually a BT50 machine. So it's a high torque spindle, it's got 4,000 RPM, and it's got 2.5 meters in the X-axis. You'll also see here with this machine that they're using it in conjunction with a 4th axis. Now what they're doing here is lots of oil and gas component machining, and specifically the materials are very hard, so they're actually machining Inconels and other difficult parts. So Mark, thanks for seeing us today.
Pleasure.
MNB is expanding. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on?
Yeah, on the back of our continued expansion over the last 3 to 5 years, predominantly in the oil and gas sector, although we are moving into nuclear and power generation, we've invested heavily in new plant and machinery. You've seen the large layers that we've got. We need milling capacity to match those sections.
And you've got a new facility. Is it purpose built, or is you moving into a place that's already?
It's an existing building. It's been empty for 7 years. We've spent just over $1 million on refurbishing it, new roof. There's going to be dedicated areas for milling and turning with concrete slabs to suit the larger size machines that we've got, overhead cranes. It's an exciting move. So
how much bigger or how much floor space will you have there than you currently have?
We've around 24,000 square foot at the moment. We're going to have in excess of 30,000 square foot. At the moment, anybody that's been here will see it's a bit of a rabbit warren. There's walls in the way and corners. This is a completely open plan, 30,000 square foot. Each bay will have overhead crane.
So it's an exciting time for the company going forward.
Oh yeah, very much so.
And we've obviously here, we've looked at the Correa machine and the Experta 25 that you bought from them last year. Rob on the machine kindly pointed out a few features and benefits to me, the things that he likes about the machine. Yeah. But why did you go for the Experta?
I obviously saw it with cutting trials. We'd got some specific jobs that we needed to take on for a customer, and the Correa fitted the bill perfectly for what we wanted to do.
And how long's the machine been in now?
18 months, 2 years.
And the work you're doing on it is predominantly oil and gas. I notice you're using the 4th axis a lot, so...
Yeah, most of our stuff is round with milled features or end holes. We do a fair amount of gun drilling, and we're able to do that on the Correa as well, which, you know, another string to its bow.
Excellent. Mark, thank you very much for your time today. It's been a pleasure, and really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.